Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Rachel Abe and today we are making bitter melon juice or bitter gourd juice, and I'll talk about the health benefits too in this video. Bitter melon is a perennial plant that grows in the tropical and the subtropical regions of Asia, South America, East Africa and the Caribbean. It is used both as food and medicine. If you are new here and you're watching me for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and you'll always be notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's go on. So we cut off the tips of the bitter melon. Thereafter, open up the bitter melon on one side, then you expose the seeds. You'll see the seeds are inside. Those are the seeds that you'll then have to scoop out after you've cut. You see the seeds? Those are the seeds. So after that, you'll have to scoop them out. They have a little tough skin, but they're really healthy fruits or vegetables. Some people call them vegetables, some people call them fruits, all the same. Some, when they overripen, they become more bitter. So you see those ones that are yellow are the ones that have overripened. So we shall scoop out the seeds and discard them, then we shall only remain with the outer skin. So we shall chop the outer skin of the bitter melon into a blender. Then we shall add in water and blend. This is without the seeds. We only blend the covers, the outer skin. If you are liking this video, then please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and also I need your comments in the comment section. Let's interact, let's share our ideas, and please make sure to watch till the end so that you don't miss out on the health benefits of this juice. I'm going to talk about them at the end. So we are now going to blend. You can see I've poured in my water, so it's time to blend. Now we are going to sieve our juice to separate the particles from the actual juice. So that's our juice.